absolutely insane. Why?
I want to keep it.
Yo! Welcome back, y'all. It's been a little while. I feel like I say that for every start of my YouTube videos now. It's very hard to balance work and content. So today we're going over to Complex Euros. The McLaren is finally getting an exhaust. Shout out to CenCal Motorsports for sending this over. We've got 300 cell downpipes and a full valve exhaust. So it should make it a little louder. I'm very excited. We're with the wife. I don't know if you can see her car there. Yep, okay, she's with us. So we can bring the stock exhaust home. We're gonna roll out there. I am so excited for this, and stick tuned. Or not stick tuned, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Peace. We're back at Complex Euros. This time not with a BMW. We're with the McLaren. We're putting exhaust on it. Right now the exhaust setup on it is a MSO Super Sport Titanium, which code word for that is it's just straight piped with catted downpipes. The exhaust we got from CenCal is also straight pipe, but with 300 cell downpipes and a valve. So it'll be quieter when we want it to be quiet, and it'll be louder when the valves are open. So they're gonna get started working on this. We've brought the Uber today. For when we got some downtime, we're gonna go out and enjoy that. We made that rear wheel drive now, by the way. We have a rear wheel drive mode. We'll probably have to show you some of that. But yeah, here it is. Oh, they don't want to be in the video, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna get going to work and we'll see how it sounds. How's the install?
It's great.
0 out of 10 hardness scale right now.
6.5.
6.5. Okay. Okay.
You know what's funny too is on this side. Remember how that mount didn't work?
How the what?
This side didn't have a mount. That's
yes.
why it was drooping. This one don't even line up for shit.
Nice.
Yep.
So this is a manufacturer error. I'll call the owner of McLaren, dude. I got it.
There you go.
Got the downpipes in. Holy.
Whoa, made you jump.
I jumped.
Oh, oops, that's your transmission.
That looks a little dark.
That's a little black.
That's a little dark. Oh my. Maintenance and mod.
There, buddy.
Any silver?
No.
Oh, that is dark. Whew, that's okay.
It's okay. That's why we're doing it.
It's a lot of oil.
Yep, and then we got these guys, turbo lines. Next.
How many drain bolts are there?
There, I guess you could say 4. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here.
What the Seems excessive.
This is not a Bugatti. That has like
16? Yeah, something crazy. Eric's wiping down the new exhaust. Yeah, it's not a B58.
But it'll do.
I was thinking of trading this for a B58.
Oh shit.
Should we trade it for a B58?
No.
Why?
I want to keep it.
We're keeping it. This is a turbo line?
Yep. I already got one of them right here. Should be able to just...
Oh, there we go.
Okay, it's just a little past due.
No, not past due. This is right on time.
Oh, I need that.
Okay, now we're throwing things.
First oil change on the car.
30,000 miles, first oil change. That's a joke, obviously, alright?
Stop, I look over to my left, there's a cop sitting right in the fucking corner.
Not a bad trans, because the V8 was perfectly
The
fine.
torque.
We were out of it.
Alright, moment of truth. Let's see how healthy the engine is, huh? Well, yo, that's actually clean.
No, it looks fine.
There's like nothing in it. Well, that's good to know.
That is great news right there. No motor for you.
No motor for you.
This is footage for if I'm ever gonna sell it.
We could dump some sparkles in there.
How's the condition of the oil? It's phenomenal. I see a little, you know, there's a little
there's a
sparkle
little-
every once in a while, but
No chunky, but
Normal wear.
normal wear. High performance engine, normal wear.
that'll work. So is this fun?
Pretty fun.
This is so much easier than like an S55, right?
Yeah.
Way easier. I feel like that's just the worst spot for an oil filter, but
No, it could be worse.
definitely could be worse.
There's definitely some worse cars.
Gas is on. Drink up.
Yeah, you can go for it.
Let's see this thing. All right, here it is. Exhaust is on. Let's hear the difference. Whoa, that sounds really good. That sounds. Oh my gosh, that sounds phenomenal. That sounds good. Dude, I love your car, bro. Okay, so that sounds phenomenal from the back, but on the inside, we actually kind of came to a consensus. It sounds the same. Okay, I've got to still get some more B-roll shots in terms of like the exhaust. Inside the car sounds very similar, but when you're behind the car, unreal. It sounds exactly how you would expect a high flow catted 570S to sound. It's nuts. I'll have to include some clips so you can hear from behind. Unreal. Okay, so we got the exhaust on. We now have 300 cell high flow downpipes from CenCal Motorsports, as well as a valved straight pipe, basically. Inside the car, it sounds pretty like normal, but outside the car, oh my lord, it sounds absolutely insane. I'm gonna hop in and give it a couple revs and yeah. Maybe I want to back up just a little bit.
Yeah.
This sounds absolutely unreal. The turbo spool, I'll just let it do the talking. Yeah, all right. That will work. That will work. So, wrapping it up, huge shout out to Complex Euros who did the install on this. They're a BMW shop where they do all Europeans. Now they're doing McLarens. Fantastic. They did a phenomenal job. Shout out to CenCal Motorsports for the exhaust. I'm stoked. This car sounds absolutely unreal now. And all I can say is please like, comment, subscribe. I love doing YouTube. It's just hard for me to manage work and YouTube. But when I see a video does really well, I want to post more. So that's all I ask. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.